Hello and welcome back to another episode of Titan Repairs. Today we are here with this PS2. It is very broken, but we will be focusing only on one repair here in this video, and that's in the disk drive. Now what's going on is I had one part fail, and otherwise it does work fine. I've been doing some experimentation on this thing the last couple months, and that one particular part is hard to get, and I found one seller online that sold it, but they basically took my money and ran, so I had to find a new solution. So I've been experimenting, I came up with a couple solutions, so let's tear into this thing and I'll show you what's going on. Alright, so we're going to put a disc in and then you'll hear what's going on. And then the disk read errors. Alright, so what's going on here? Well, this is the fault right here. This is a disk drive magnet. This is what holds a disk in place. So this goes on top and then it spins. So what happens is over time this plastic, I guess, wears out. So the reason why the CD games and not the DVD games are spinning is because there's not enough friction on the CD games. As far as I know, it's but what I have noticed in the drive is that they spin a lot faster. So it's just not it just doesn't have enough friction where it's keeping it steady, so then it's just spinning faster than what it holds the disc in, and then it's going to disk read error and make that grinding noise. So what I've figured out is we have to increase the friction. So my solution to that is Flex Seal. Alright, so we got to do a little bit of prep work before we spray the Flex Seal on. So got myself some blue painter's tape, and we're just going to mask everything off around and inside here, because we only need this rim sprayed with Flex Seal. Okay, good enough. Don't have to be perfect, but you just need to get that there. Cool. Alright, let's take this outside and give it a spray. Sorry about the crappy angle. I usually do this on the table, but it's raining today. Alright, and just light coat. Just let that dry, and we'll come back in and put it back in the PlayStation. Alright, so it's been a couple hours. Package does say it takes 24 to 48 hours to cure. I don't think we're sealing anything, so just take this off. Not sure how well this is going to come across on camera, but now you can see that there's a little bit of texture on here. So hopefully this gives it enough grip. in the disk drive, but only one way to find out. Okay, so we have our blue back disc and our Flex Seal disk drive magnet. We're gonna pop it back in its home. We're gonna give it a go. Alright, off to a good start. It's not grinding or making any weird noises. Bam! There it goes. Sweet. Okay, so there is another method you can do with something most people have around the house, which is duct tape. So again, we just need to increase the friction, and this will work. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a small strip, cut it. Try not to get it to roll away. And you're going to cut off 4 little pieces. 1. You're going to basically put it to where the disc makes contact on the rim here. You want to balance this out too because it's going to be spinning. Oops, well, that didn't work. Trying to cut and work the camera at the same time. And then the 2. Again, we're spacing these out just to make it more balanced so it's not going like this in the disk drive. Alright, good enough. Let's see if that works. Okay, just so you all don't accuse me of any shenanigans, well, here we go. Got Midnight Club there. Got this here with the duct tape on. Close the drive. See, now it's not grinding. And there it is. Alright, so there you have it. Yes, you can fix a PS2 with Flex Seal. Showed you a couple different ways on how to do it. Both methods work. I'm personally going to be using the Flex Seal just because I fix and sell these, so something a little bit more professional. But comment below about any other issues you've had with PS2s, and if you've had this one before, and what other things have you fixed with Flex Seal. I'm kind of curious to know. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. That would help me out a lot. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.